Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a home and work location in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps, then press on top right corner. Press on Settings and edit Home or Work. Now you can either change a previously set location or set a new one. I don't have my work location set, so I will do it right now. Now I have to enter my work address. Let's set it to here. Press on Done. And now the location has been added. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.